Assuming you're searching for Theta organization cost expectations figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of Theta organization, Theta, will go from here on out. We will break down the past costs of Theta organization, Theta, and we'll figure out what specialists generally are talking about its future cost activities in a significant manner. Kindly remember that you want to fundamentally take this expectation and each sort of other forecast with the goal that this certainly is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unthinkable in a kind of significant manner. Be that as it may, we will attempt our especially awesome. How about we start? Theta organization past value investigation. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Theta organization is 88 cents, and Theta is as of now fundamentally positioned number 49 in the essentially whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Theta organization is 1 billion, with a market cap of $880,962,426. Incredibly, in the very beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been truly diminished by 0.57% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we in every practical sense analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the Theta with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Theta organization is confronting a sort of tough time jumping aboard with in every practical sense other crypto coins. The Theta is down to nearly 15.12% in the genuinely most recent 7 days. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could have all things considered solid basics, however. We don't imagine that it would a productive resource in present moment, or so they thought. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta especially diminished by 26.891%. Wiping out an incredible especially normal amount of 32 cents from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down really implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be in every practical sense great generally purchase a valuable open door for fast venture. The 90 days cost change is around 4.08%, and the value sort of flowed from a very least essentially normal cost of 84 cents to most extreme normal cost of 87 cents. In the beyond 90 days, which certainly is genuinely huge. In most recent 4 months, Theta organization generally has shown a developing pattern, which is very critical. Hence, we explicitly feel that comparative pieces of the market were very famous at that period, which especially is genuinely critical. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Theta organization is expanded from 4 months in opposition to mainstream thinking. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost. The coin in every practical sense is up by 3.87%, with the truly greatest truly normal cost of the coin truly was around $1.13, and the truly least truly normal cost of generally was around 94 cents in beyond 4 months, which is very critical. We in every way that really matters anticipate future Theta organization cost expectations. Theta conjecture, by applying commonly profound certainly computerized reasoning, helped specialized examination on the past value information of Theta organization, or so they generally thought. We give our all to in every practical sense, gather greatest authentic information for the Theta coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Theta organization market cap, Theta organization volume, and hardly any sort of something else. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and need kind of good profit from actually your ventures, basically try to peruse our forecasts. Theta organization value expectation 2023. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Theta, in 2023, the cost of Theta organization is estimated to be at around a base worth of $1.14. The Theta organization value worth can generally arrive at a limit of $1.34, with the typical exchanging worth of $1.18 in United States dollars. Theta organization value expectation 2024. According to the Gaijin specialized examination, in 2024, the cost of Theta organization essentially is supposed to truly reach at an extremely least value worth of $1.70. The Theta cost can truly arrive at a greatest value worth of $2.02, with the especially normal worth of $1.76. In a significant manner, Theta value figure for 2025. The cost of Theta organization is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $2.42 in 2025. The Theta organization cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $2.98. with the kind of typical exchanging cost of $2.51 all through 2025. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2026. The cost of Theta organization is anticipated to reach at least degree of $3.42 in 2026, or so they thought. The Theta organization cost can especially arrive at a greatest degree of $4.28, with the typical cost of $3.54 all through 2026. Theta organization value expectation 2027. Theta organization cost is gauged to arrive at and in every practical sense, most reduced conceivable degree of $5.11 in 2027. Incredibly, according to our discoveries, the Theta cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $6.09, with the typical gauge cost of $5.25, in an exceptionally large manner, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta organization value expectation 2028. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2028, the cost of Theta organization fundamentally is in every way that really matters, anticipated to reach at least degree of $7.37 in a genuinely enormous manner. The Theta cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $8.79, with the typical exchanging cost of $7.63 in a by and large significant manner. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2029. Theta organization cost for the most part is conjecture to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $10.81 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the Theta cost could especially arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $12.84, with the essentially normal figure cost of $11.19. Theta organization value figure 2030. The cost of Theta organization sort of is anticipated to by and large reach at a really least worth of $15.86 in 2030. The Theta organization cost could arrive at and in every way that really matters, most extreme worth of $19.19, with the typical exchanging cost of $16.42 all through 2030. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Theta, in 2031, the cost of Theta organization certainly is generally anticipated to reach at a really least degree of $21.69. The Theta cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $27.01, with the typical exchanging cost of $22.51, which is very huge. Theta organization value expectation 2032. The cost of one Theta organization generally is supposed to reach at any rate level of $31.49 in 2032. The Theta cost can explicitly arrive at a truly most extreme degree of $37.66, with the typical cost of $32.39 all through 2032 in an unpretentious manner.